Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's vlog for our today's video, today's vlog. Good and bad news pa rin tayo, pero summer months. But subscribe na to our YouTube channel. So, mag-like, shares, comments, and views. At aabutin ng 500 subscribers. I-support na natin sa ating social media account. Our latest vlog for today, 281, episode 281, entitled Good and Bad News Summer Months. Here's your vlog. Okay, simulan natin para natin ang highlights. Okay, simulan natin. Una naman na natin ay simulan na ang Burmas last week, September 1. September 1 last week. Ang good news is, Burmas na, September na, hanggang December. May Jose Marichan na, may Mariah Carey na, at may Aria Rivera pa sa sana na yun, Pasko. At the good news is, 108 days to go before Christmas. 108 days na. Pero bad news is, wala pa rin akong trabaho sa ngayon as domestic helper. But, let's wait na lang to announce kung papayag nang yung mugulang ko para magtrabaho. Pero 1 year training na muna daw. For now, punta na tayo sa mundo ng sports. The Premier Volleyball League Reinforced Conference para for third and the finals. Natapos na ang ating Premier Volleyball League with kasabay kasi ang Invitational Conference with Thailand versus Japan. Ang good news is sa Reinforced Conference, ang champion ay Creamline Cool Smashers. Congratulations! Laban against the undefeated team sa Reinforced, ang Akari Chargers. Yan. Nanalong Conference and Finals MVP na si Bernadette Pons, while the others na malungkot kahit dapat sana manalo against Green Knight, ang Akari dapat maging undefeated. So, congratulations. But the bad news is, PLDT ay hindi nanalo bilang third place against Signa. Nanalo ang Signa sa PLDT. Ang good news is, manalo si Majoy Bara bilang best middle blocker. Congratulations to Majoy Baron and the whole PLDT family, and congrats. And of course, to Eliza, di muna nalaro for Krina kasi pa injury talaga. Sana hopefully walang na injury talaga. We love you so much. Congratulations to Krina Kursashin. 9 titles sa Premier Volleyball League. And for showbiz news, Aisegera na guest na sa 2 shows. Yee! Ang good news is nag-perform kahapon. Ay, wow! Nag-perform kahapon si Aisegera sa Eid Bulaga for their Grandparents' Day presentation. Kasi na yun ay Happy Grandparents' Day! Happy Grandparents' Day sa'yo, Lola and Lola. And we wish you sa mga Lola, Lola, Petty. We love you so much. Yan. Happy Grandparents' Day with Raisa May Dizon, Queen Amber Torres, and the Singing Queens. Sa Rainbow Rumbles, nag-guest si Aisegera with other ASAP sessionistas, Princess Velasco, City Navarro, Kian Cipriano, and Noy Volante. Yan, naglaro na. But the bad news is, panood natin yung video. Ayan, ang bad news is, Aisegera ay 0 pesos lang. 0 pesos. Wala siya nakuha ang prize. But, nanalo siya ng consolation prize for Ice. While City, 2,000 pesos, 1,000 pesos for Kian, 22,000 pesos for Princess, at nanalo si Noy Volante ng 66,000 pieces. Congratulations! Pero di nanalo ng 1 million yan. Nanalo siya ng maximum price ng more than 91 pesos. 91,000 pesos. Congratulations! And whole associationistas, we love you. Sana next time, Sila na naman, si Richard, si Tankan, si Juris, at si Nina next time naman sa ASAP Sessionistas in Rainbow Rumble. Thank you, Luis Manzano. Yan ang ating latest vlog for today's video. See you next vlog. Bye. God bless.